So after a couple of days, we're settled in Cairns now, and things didn't go entirely to plan. And we planned to live in the van on the car park of a hostel, which you could previously pay a discounted fee for. But we've got there and the council have changed the laws, so we can't do that anymore. And so we've just had to check into a dorm room. We've been here, what, 3 days now, baby? Yeah. And we finally settled enough to take ourselves on another little trip. So today we're at the Crystal Cascades. Just walking along the water here to the upper falls, and hopefully there's a little spot to jump in and have a little swim and so on.
I'm on spider watch.
We tried to swim under the waterfall, but the current was just too strong.
No!
We didn't get that close at
Oh,
all.
she is tough. Okay, so sorry if it's a bit blurry, but the camera's wet. There's not much I can do about it. I'm currently climbing up to the top of the waterfall. And we're going to jump off the very top. Okay.
So here's a little secret into our reality here. We actually only have one GoPro camera. So in reality, I actually jumped off twice. First time Kat recorded and the second time I recorded, and I've just combined the two clips together. The impact actually snapped the GoPro from the wrist strap, but it was attached to a float, so I was able to pick it up. It's just a case of not getting washed downstream now.
You can jump in.
And that pretty much concludes our day trip. We finished off by reading a chapter of The Time Traveller's Wife down by the lower pools.